Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Onn TV Android version, and we'll do this in a few steps. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Head over to Quick Settings right here and click on it. Then you're going to navigate to All Settings. Unfortunately, I went to the account. Just navigate to All Settings. So Quick Settings and All Settings. Now you find a full list of settings. You're going to be navigating towards getting to the About page. So head over to System, click on it and get into About. From here, go down to the middle and you can find the Android TV OS version here. So this is running on Android 14. It may be different for you, but this is the method to which you could check what Android version your Onn TV is running on. If you found value in that, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.